In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic screaming on ElevenLabs text-to-speech with a simple trick. Whether you're working on a creative project, a prank, or just looking to explore the capabilities of cutting-edge text-to-speech technology, mastering this skill can add a dramatic flair to your audio productions. Before we dive in, a quick note. If you're planning to sign up for ElevenLabs, consider using our affiliate link to support our channel. Now, let's talk about two different approaches, depending on whether you're using an older model or the new V3 model of the ElevenLabs text-to-speech engine. First, let's explore the technique for older models. These models provide a straightforward yet effective way to indicate yelling or shouting. It's as simple as modifying the text itself. By writing your desired text in all capital letters, you signal the text-to-speech engine to elevate the intensity of the speech. This technique can be further enhanced by adding an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. If you want to push it even further, consider using multiple exclamation marks. This method clearly communicates that the line should be delivered with a higher emotional charge, simulating a shouted or screamed delivery. Now, moving on to the new V3 model, the approach is a bit more refined and sophisticated. Here, you have the option of incorporating tags directly into your text. This feature gives users a more nuanced control over how the speech is rendered. To create a realistic scream, simply include tags such as scream, shout, or yell in the text. These tags act as instructions that guide the text-to-speech engine in adjusting the tone and intensity appropriately. This offers a more seamless and well-integrated way to incorporate emotional depth into your text-to-speech outputs. The inclusion of these tags allows for a smoother and more realistically varied delivery, reflecting the intricacies of human speech patterns. That sums up the techniques for both older models and the new V3 model on ElevenLabs. By leveraging the simple adjustments for older versions, or utilizing the more advanced tagging system in V3, you can create compelling audio that mirrors real-life emotions and expressions. These tricks not only enhance the engagement potential of your audio content, but also open up new creative possibilities in storytelling, gaming, and beyond. Remember, the key is experimentation. Playing with combinations of capitals, punctuation, and tags can help you discover what works best for your specific needs and preferences. This concludes our guide on crafting realistic screams using ElevenLabs text-to-speech. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to use our affiliate link if you decide to sign up for ElevenLabs. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!